Day 4 in Ooty. Today we're gonna check out some waterfalls, maybe some more lakes, and like Aditya said earlier, some adventure hopefully. First place that we're gonna check out is Kalhatti Falls. Don't confuse it with Kalhatti Falls in Coorg. No, not Coorg. Sorry, Chikmagalur. Kalhatti Falls. Close, huh? That side, huh?
Next one is Equest. Quality Forest.
Okay.
And left side close panel.
Close, huh? Oh shit, okay. Damn, dude.
Close
Turns out the Kalhatti Falls is closed. That's because there have been a few accidents that have happened over there. Accidents as in few people drowning. 18 people have died over there. So
Very recent.
yeah, so it's not safe, and that's why they've closed the place completely. So we decided to go to Sholur Viewpoint. Now this place is extremely beautiful, and I figured out that a lot of people don't come here. Very few people actually do. And once we started driving, I realized why. Because there are practically no roads. So the kind of day that we've had so far, every place that we've been going to, it's closed. We went to Kalhatti Falls, it was closed. Then we went where?
Bison.
No, Sholur Viewpoint.
Yeah.
And some people over there told us you can go in there, although there's a warning board that said no entry beyond this point. Anyone entering will be prosecuted or fined.
Or both. Imprisonment.
Imprisonment, yeah. So you get the picture, right? That was the case basically. So we didn't want to take the risk, but there were a couple of people who, I'm not sure if they were from the army or from the forest department, but they're like, everybody goes there, we go every day, so you can go. But well, we are in a different state, we don't know anyone here, so thought that was not really a safe idea. So that didn't work out. So that's why we are now driving towards Kunnur. We'll be checking out the hidden, what is that, dude, with the other?
Hidden Valley.
Hidden Valley, Tiger Hill, Hidden Valley, and the Kunnur Tea Estate. 3 places that we're going to check out.
So you have to pass Ooty for that?
Yes, we are in Ooty right now.
After driving for about an hour, we arrived at the spot that is known as Hidden Valley. And the first thing that I noticed was this beautiful butterfly.
That's a beautiful color butterfly. We just got to this place called Hidden Valley in Kunnur. It's a little trek, it's a little waterfall, and we decided to trek up the stream like we did at Chandi Falls in Chikmagalur. The last time we tried to do something of this sort, it was quite an epic experience, and that's why I think this is also going to be pretty cool. To go from there, huh?
Yeah. There's a trail of
Come.
Mera pola na?
Thanks so much.
Good. Can you snap?
Huh?
Can you snap?
Take a picture, yeah. Can I snap? Snap at you. This is quite an epic trek.
What is my trail?
Fuck! Shit!
Neha, be careful of leeches and stuff, okay?
What is that smell, bro?
Yeah, I know. It's like someone's dumped like thousands of kilos of socks over here.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was looking. It doesn't smell natural, right?
Yeah.
Come now, we will go. Let's explore.
This stench is terrible, dude.
The stench here, it's obviously not because of the socks or smelly feet or anything of that sort. It's because this is a tropical forest with very little light actually penetrating through the woods.
Hey, don't push me, bro.
How do we cross this? Linnea?
On a stronger bar.
Wait.
Step on a stronger bar, hold that and cross. That's all. That's all.
Give me a hand. Step there first and then give me your hand. Come. Yo, give me your hand.
Oh fuck. I did it. Want to take a small nap over there, bro?
I actually would love to, but no.
We'll do it.
Where is he? Tea gardens, huh? Oh, wow. 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 Wow.
After an intense trek, we arrived at the spot that was a tea garden in the middle of a tropical forest. You heard that right. We had never seen anything of this sort before. It was quite strange and mesmerizing at the same time.
Congratulations for making it all over here.
Have you ever been chased by a bull?
Me?
Yeah.
No, dude. You have been?
Do you want to? No.
No. I've been chased only by bitches.
Take a picture.
Huh?
Now, we don't know if this is actually the Hidden Valley. It could be, but we don't know for sure because the trek continues a little far up and we decided to skip that because, well, one, we were tired and two, we really needed to get some lunch.
This is a nice little trek. It's a little taxing, but when you get to the coffee plantations, it feels kind of worth it. It helps you relieve all your stress and feel good. So if you do come to Ooty and you don't find much places to trek at, especially if it's difficult to get entry to Mukurthi or Mudumalai, then you can come down here. This is called Hidden Valley in Kunnur. The best thing here is that you're in the middle of a forest, and even though it's in the middle of the forest, it's not too far from the main road. In fact, there's complete network coverage over here.
Is that bad?
Yeah.
Do you want that?
I want Sumit to lead.
We took one path while going up the hill, and now while coming down we took another path. This one is a lot more easier. So the moment we get to the main road, I'm going to save the location. I'm going to share the location with you, and when you come down here, take this path. It's a lot more easier and obviously less taxing on your body.
So, that was our experience at the Hidden Valley. Something interesting, something fun, and something that we needed to get over our trek withdrawals. While we may have missed a thing or two by skipping the trek all the way to the top, we didn't really regret the decision because at the end of this day, we saw something very special, something we never thought we would ever see. You'll see it in the next video.
We walked 1.4 kilometers.
I got nothing.
You did, because it was taxing, right? Up the hill gaya tha na. Come, dude.
After visiting the Hidden Valley, we decided to go get lunch. And while we were on the way, we spotted the Indian bisons, also known as gaur.
Dude, bison on your left.
Oh wow. Take it.
Oh, wait, I'll get this. This is the first time I'm spotting bisons. Holy shit, such majestic creatures. It's getting angry. Man, the sheer size of this creature.
This is a bigger bull. Oh my god. How big it is, dude.
Crazy.